An acts to gain a private interest to serve have a selfish interest निजी स्वार्थ. Back to the drawing board to use to indicate that an idea has been unsuccessful and that a new one must be devised. Plan it all over again. नए सिरे से बनाना. Ball is in your court. It is up to you to make the next decision or step. To be responsible for further action. जिम्मेदार होना. Be glad to see the back of. Be happy when a person leaves. व्यक्ति के जाने से खुश होना. Build castles in the air. Daydream. Have unrealistic ideas to create impossible dreams or hopes. हवा के लिए बनाना. कोरी कल्पना करना. Carry the day to win a victory. जीत हासिल करना. To achieve victory in a contest. कुछ potato. A lazy person. A person who watches too much television. आलसी व्यक्ति. Cut corners to do something perfectly so as to save time or money. Saving money, not do a thing well in order to save money or effort. सबसे आसान सस्ता या तेज गलत तरीके से करना. Fall flat to fail to produce intended effort to have no effort असफल होना. Get on somebody's nerves to be an irritant annoys me किसी का दिमाग खराब करना. Go to the dogs to be ruined deteriorate shockingly बर्बाद हो जाना. Hit the nail on the head say or do something exactly right to find exactly the right answer सटीक जवाब देना. In the nick of time just in time at the last possible moment सही समय पर. Kick the bucket to die चल बसना निधन होना. Kill two birds with one stone to serve two purposes at one time to achieve two results with a single effort. एक तीर से दो शिकार करना. Make a beeline for two go straight to तो बिल्कुल सीधा जाना. On tender hooks in suspense and anxiety anxious चिंता में. Once and for all to bring to an end finally हमेशा के लिए. The last straw the final problem in the series a minor difficulty but coming on top of a series of difficulties that makes a situation unbearable. स्थिति को असहनीय बनाने वाली आखिरी परेशानी. An open book one that held no secrets one about whom it is easy to know everything खुली किताब बिना किसी रहस्य का. As hard as a nail emotionless unrelenting to have no feelings भावनाहीन. At a stretch to continuously लगातार. At weak and call at his disposal to be dominated by someone इशारे पर नाचने वाला दूसरों के संकेत पर चलना. At daggers drawn to enemies या hostile दुश्मनी चाइना. At loggerheads in conflict with someone to disagree strongly असहमति के कारण हिंसक विवाद. Back seat driver to interfering in affairs without having knowledge बिना ज्ञान के मामलों में दखल देना. Be in the air when an emotion or idea is on everyone's mind under consideration still to be settled विचाराधीन. Bend over backwards to make every effort to achieve something especially to be fair or helpful to exert a lot of effort towards some and try to accommodate and please someone हर संभव प्रयास करना. Bite the dust to suffer a defeat to die धूल चाटना हार जाना. Butterflies in the stomach to be anxious and nervous बड़बड़ाना. By the skin of his teeth by the narrowest margin having a narrow escape बहुत कम अंतर से. Calls the shots to be in control to be the person in charge निर्णय लेने का अधिकार होना. Come to light being revealed to be known publicly प्रकाश में आना पता चलना. Cool as a cucumber not nervous or emotional to be calm धैर्यवान. Cross that bridge when you come to it. Deal with something only when necessary. Deal with the problem when and if it arises. समस्या उत्पन्न होने पर ही उसे निपटाना. Cut to the chase to start talking about the important aspects of something. Come to the point. मुद्दे पर आना. Died in harness to died while working. To die while in service. सेवा में रहते हुए मर जाना. Do a good turn to help someone. Render a service किसी की सहायता करना.